Text, equal housing opportunities. Lounge chairs surround an in-ground pool in a patio area. Umbrellas shade sections of the patio around the in-ground pool area. Framed art prints hang on a wall. Digital flames flicker within an electric fireplace. Barbecue grills sit on a patio area. A community room features framed art prints and seating areas. A television mounts to a brick-inspired wall about a digital fireplace display in a community room. Arcade games and pop art are displayed in a game room. A gym features weight training equipment and treadmill. Claw soups of stationary bicycles, barbells, and kettlebells in a gym. A wall features pop art depictions of people such as David Bowie, Oprah Winfrey, Frida Kahlo, Lucille Ball, and Muhammad Ali. Private working areas feature desks and chairs. Rows of mailboxes surround the perimeter of a mailroom. An exterior view of the Matheson Mill apartment complex in Charlotte, North Carolina.